The front inner door handle on the Cayenne can easily be replaced. You just need to remove the front door panel first. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. With the door panel removed, place it down on something clean and soft to protect it. While you can remove the inner door handle, red arrow, without removing the insulation, it's just as easy to get out of the way by removing it. Depending on how your Cayenne is optioned, you may have different accessories attached to the mechanism. Our project car has the door locks, red arrow, and a seat memory switch, blue arrow. Use a pick and press down on the tab on the electrical connection and separate it from the switch, red arrow. Use a small flathead screwdriver and push in on the two clips, red arrows, and slide the switch out through the front. Disconnect the seat memory switch electrical connection. You do not need to remove the two screws, and the switch will come out with the trim surround. Remove the 5 T20 screws holding the trim surround on from the back, red arrows. Use a trim removal tool and compress the tabs on the trim piece and release it from around the switch. There is a rubber gasket, red arrow, between the panel and the trim piece. The green arrow indicates where the trim tabs need to be released from. With the trim piece removed, use a T20 torque and remove the 5 screws holding the handle mechanism in place, indicated by red arrows. The mechanism will come out from the rear. Make sure to clean the area before installing the new handle. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.